Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders October 2022 club kits are now available. And if you are interested in subscribing, I do have links provided in the description box below. I receive 3 of the club kits every month. I get the embossing folder, the large die of the month, and also the card kit of the month. I'll start with the embossing folder of the month. It's a really fun wintry design, and as always it's the nice large size, about 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. It's nice having that larger size. That way whether you make A2 size cards, slimline cards, 5x7 cards, it's still large enough to work for those. Next up is the large die of the month. There are always so many dies included. So I'll just pull them all out of the bag and lay them out on my craft table. Now I'll admit, when I was recording the voiceover, I didn't know what all the dies were for. As an influencer for Spellbinders, we receive the products early and we don't have the information card. So sometimes all we have are the dies and then we get to figure out how to use them. But sometimes that part is really fun. There is an ornament and it does have that stitch detail. So if you like to do the stitching on your die cuts, this is a great set. But you can also use it without stitching because it'll still add that fun detail. This set also includes a poinsettia flower and also some winter foliage. Now moving on to the card kit of the month for October 2022. The theme is Oh What Fun, and this is a Christmas themed card kit. The kit always includes the information sheet. It has a list of contents and also a sample card. On the back side there is a tutorial showing how to use the dies that are included in the kit. There are 9 pieces of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have 2 different blues, a bright green, red, there's a light pink, a darker pink, there's black, white, and the specialty this month is the gold mirror. And I'll just place that underneath the white so you don't have my lights reflecting on it. Here's a look at the paper pad. It's called Oh What Fun. There are 40 sheets. These are single-sided and you'll receive 2 of each design. The colors and designs in this paper pad fit the name perfectly since they're really fun and cheerful. Lots of traditional reds and greens, but I love the mix of the pink and teals. Several of the designs do have some of the gold foil finish, and that's always fun. There are candy canes, Santa hats, there's some nice colorful stripes. Here's a beautiful floral design. We have a few plaids. There's a diagonal stripe. This one has lots of Christmas sentiments, holly berries and leaves, little peppermint candies. There's a Christmas light design with the gold foil finish, and then a couple more plaid designs. This will be a really fun collection to use for Christmas cards. Next we have a sheet of puffy stickers, lots of great sentiments, and also a bunch of little white snowflakes. Here's the stamp set that's included. There are a few different images. We have gingerbread man, some snowflakes, and also some sprinkles. And then lots of fun Christmas sentiments. As always, the kit includes 10 A2 size card bases and 10 A2 size envelopes. And the card bases do have a nice linen finish on one side. There are 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments, lots of fun images and sentiments, and the colors match with the paper collection beautifully. Next, there's a pack of chipboard frames. These do have embellishment on one side. You just have to remove the release paper. And several of the frames also have that fun gold foil finish. I like the variety of sizes of the frames. There's ovals, squares, and also rectangles. Next is the pack of die cut shapes, and there are so many included in here. And I will lay out all the pieces at the end of the unboxing so you can see what's included. For embellishment, the kit includes a pack of sequins, really soft yellow color with an iridescent finish on it. There's a roll of adhesive tape and also a sheet of foam squares. Then the final item that's included in the kit are the dies. There are 9 dies included this month. So I'll just lay these out on one of the card bases. There's a tree that you can create into a Christmas tree. It has the garland and some of the ornaments and also the star. We have Santa's head. So you have all the different pieces for the hat, the face, his mustache, and beard. And there's also the sentiment Noel. And if you're ever confused about the dies in the card kit, you can always look at the information card. The tutorial on the back side of the information card usually features the dies. So that's everything that's included in the card kit, and here's a look at all of the different die cut pieces, and there are 2 each of every piece. There are a couple of add-on items available that are not included in the kit, but they do coordinate. We have the Oh What Fun sticker pack and also the Oh What Fun die cut sentiment pack. I'll show you the sticker pack first. There are 4 different sheets, and many of the designs have that fun gold foil finish on them. So let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see the full sheet. So lots of fun images, sentiments. I like how there's different sizes of the images. Here's a sheet with lots of sentiments and even some blank labels so you could add another sentiment. There's also some banners, some little circles, little postage stamps, lots of variety. And here's a look at all the die cut sentiments. There are 2 each of every piece. With this add-on die cut pack, you would have a ton of sentiments for your Christmas cards. Now here's another look at Spellbinders October 2022 Club Kits. I have the embossing folder, the large die of the month, and also the card kit of the month. If you are interested in subscribing to any of the club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the kits I showed in this video, you do need to subscribe by October 28th. Spellbinders now has a UK website, so they are shipping their club kits to other countries outside of the US. And I will have links for both locations in the description box below. Coming soon, I will share my card videos using these fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.